जैसा कि आप देख पा रहे हैं, मैं इसके विषय में आपको डिटेल बताने जा रहा हूँ। इसमें 2-3 चीज़ें दी हुई हैं, जिसमें वाइब्रेशन संबंधित, जो कि आपको मैं बता देता हूँ। डिस्प्लेसमेंट, वेलोसिटी और एक्सीलरेशन संबंधी मैं आपको डिटेल बताता हूँ कैसे काम करता है। जो कि आप देख पा रहे हैं, एक्सीलरेशन 0 से पिक पॉइंट तक, इसके विषय में हम बताने जा रहे हैं। फिर वेलोसिटी आरएमएस क्या है, डिस्प्लेसमेंट पीपी क्या है। Vibration are a periodic displacement of mechanical object over time along with an increase in temperature and friction. They are from a dissipation of energy provided to an object such as a car, plane, fan, pump or washing machine. Because of that, vibration can tell us lot about the technical condition of device. In measuring system, vibration can be defined as one of three different physical quantities as signal displacement, velocity or acceleration. Displacement is manually used in monitoring the technical condition with regard to large shaft mount on pan bearing. One can use term make is that so called orbit plots to turbo sets. The velocity क्या है? The vibration is the primary measuring according to vibration norm such as, because it most accurately reflects a dangerous force acting on a machine in the widest frequency range. Choosing the right measurement quantities is circular in influence the qualities of measurement and observation the price vibration. Acceleration is a nowadays the most frequency used method of measuring vibration, since acceleration sensors are the least expensive and less the used allow us the analyze circular vibration and compute their velocity and displacement. So how do three quantities relate to one another? जैसा कि आप देख पा रहे हैं, इसमें कलर बाय कलर में एक्सीलरेशन का सिग्नल और वेलोसिटी और डिस्प्लेसमेंट का सभी को शो करा दिया गया है। नीचे जो टाइमिंग का ऊपर जो टाइमिंग का देख पा रहे हैं, नीचे फ्रीक्वेंसी के विषय में आप देख पा रहे हैं। इसी को मैं डिटेल बताता हूँ आपको। Additive theory, picture 1 show an auxiliary sensorial signals of acceleration ACC with the frequency of 100 Hz and amplitude of 7 converted respectively into a signal velocity well displacement. This notice how the unit of the signal changes from responsibility mm millimeter per second and mm in the example below. The amplitude of the velocity signal equals 109.3 mm per second. Because calculating the amplitude of the velocity signal require both unit conversion 1g is equal 9.81 meter per second square is equal 9810 mm per second square, and recalculating of the amplitude by the value 1/1/2 into pi into force in offer or in our case f is equal 100 Hz. The amplitude of displacement signal is calculated by once again multiplying the value of velocity signal amplitude by the rate 1/1/2 into pi into 100 as so the figure 1. Conversation physical unit does not change the frequency value of the component. Using the method, one can convert between quantities describe vibration. It is worth editing that the general the acceleration signal is the lowest and displacement signal the least. Is an spectrum analysis the choice of physical value translate to the change of the spectrum shape, and so in figure 2 acceleration signal in the component with high frequency and displacement signal boost component with high लो फ्रीक्वेंसी एक्सीलरेशन वेलोसिटी डिस्प्लेसमेंट, क्योंकि वाइब्रेशन लेवल आप देख पा रहे हैं और हर्ट्स में देख पा रहे हैं, जो कि ब्लू कलर में आप जो देख रहे हैं एक्सीलरेशन है, और ये वेलोसिटी का देख पा रहे हैं, और ये जो देख पा रहे हैं डिस्प्लेसमेंट देख पा रहे हैं। प्रैक्टिकल एनालिसिस, व्हाट डज इट मैटर ये प्रैक्टिस। Value of the vibration amplitude will change depending on the choose physical quantity. If the velocity of the signal is constant with the increasing frequency, the value of acceleration increase and the value of displacement decrease. Similarly, with describing the frequency, the value of the displacement rise while the value of acceleration described as so. Similarly, picture 3 depend on the change of vibration physical quantities for the vibration signals with the frequency of 5 Hz and 500 Hz, जो कि आप देख पा रहे हैं कंपोनेंट्स में 5 हर्ट्स एंड वेलोसिटी देख पा रहे हैं, एक्सीलरेशन देख पा रहे हैं, डिस्प्लेसमेंट। नेक्स्ट तीसरा वाला देख पा रहे हैं कंपोनेंट 500 हर्ट्स है, वेलोसिटी एक्सीलरेशन ज़्यादा है, वेलोसिटी और डिस्प्लेसमेंट। Analysis of different physical quantities of the convenient while simultaneously monitoring or the number of components generated in a broad frequency band. Picture 4, Aquatic and the rotating machine consist from left and propulsory motor, parallel gear, shaft, bearing assembly and braking motor. The picture similarly so as generally type of the component by protest soft gear varying additional of mark typical range of frequency with the multifunction those the element wide co since properly soft average machine do not exceed prevalent of 50 to 60 hertz. The velocity of their vibration of displacement exponentially for fan varying in the frequency monitored in the case of toothed gear up to around 160 Hz using all critical harmonic, and a measurement of the velocity of vibration is recommended, and over 500 Hz measurement of the acceleration is typically used in case of existing vibration typically damage plan varying in greater damage. Toothed gear measurement acceleration is required for rotating machine in generally expected structure vibration ranging from 2 kHz to 20 kHz, जो कि सॉफ्ट देख पा रहे हैं, गियर बेरिंग सारी चीज़ इसमें आपको समझा दिया गया है मशीनों के माध्यम से। अब हम एक एक टॉपिक पे चर्चा करते हैं। वेलोसिटी क्या है? वेलोसिटी RMS वाइब्रेशन इज स्टैंडर्ड मेजर ए वाइब्रेशन analysis that quantifies the overray energy of vibration signal, representing its disruptive potential and relative to the machine overall health in the calculate as the root mean square of the vibration velocity signal and incidentally finding the average effective amplitude over time, and is particularly useful because it weight vibration and all frequencies equally. This makes it an excellent indicator for condition monitoring or examining the severity of a machine fault, specifically for rotating equipment. How to calculate RMS value found by squaring in the individual vibration velocity value over a time period, averaging these square value to find the mean square, taking the square roots of the average to get the RMS value. Why it's used? Energy representation. The RMS value is directly related to the energy and descriptive capability of the vibration, providing comprehensive measure of the signal energy current. Energy-based metrics, unlike acceleration, which the emphasize high frequency, or displacement with the emphasis is low frequency, velocity gives equal weight to vibration across a broad frequency range, making it a more complete indicator of the overall machine health condition. Monetary condition, it is a primary metric used in preventive and condition-based maintenance to track the long-term health of machinery. Machine fault assignment velocity RMS provides a powerful tool to estimate the severity individual machine fault, especially when analyzed with our vibration parameters. Practical application velocity RMS value are used in international standard acceptable variation limit of various types of machine. In practical application, a typical range of acceptable velocity RMS value of routing machinery, it is often specified such as 4.5 to 28 mm meter per second, depending on the millimeter per second, depending on the machinery power and operation characteristic. Displacement peak to peak. Displacement peak to peak vibration refers to the total distance vibration object travels from the highest position to its lowest negative position during on full cycle. It is key metric vibration elastic particles low frequency phenomena like bearing and structural oscillation, where indicates the total range of motion. The measurement in critical for detecting rotational damage in moving parts by showing the extent the mechanical stress vibration case. Understanding the component displacement, this the distance object movement from the central means position during the vibration. Displacement peak to peak. Peak to peak, this value represents the difference between the maximum position amplitude and the maximum negative amplitude of the vibration value waveform. Why it is used? Low frequency vibration displacement is the domain measure for low frequency is that below 1200 cpm or 20 hertz in structure and rotating machinery. Mechanical stress, the peak to peak value is directly related of mechanical stress and can be used identify potential machine damage before it causes severance. Relative motion, it is a extensor or accidentals for measuring the relative motion between soft and its bearing, which can lead to various fluence. How to measure? Sensor displacement measured using specialized non-contact proximity sensors, is like DC current sensor, LVDT linear variable difference transformer, vibration meters, specialized portable vibration meters can also measure displacement after measuring so value in microns or milli thousands or an inch. In summary, peak to peak displacement, the fundamental concept in vibration analysis that quantifies the full range of movement of a vibration object. By analyzing these values, engineering can access the health machinery, prevent catastrophic failures, and optimize performance. Acceleration 0p. Vibration is the measurement of maximum acceleration an object experiences for from its 0 point to equilibrium position to its peak amplitude in vibration cycle expressed as the 0 to peak or 0 to peak value. It is a key metric in describing vibration severity, especially for all high frequency vibration above 1000 hertz and provide insight into dynamic forces acting a system such as machine component. Understanding the technology acceleration, the time rate of change of velocity, indicating how quickly an object in velocity change. Zero to peak to peak. This significant cute from the natural uh, resting position. Zero to highest peak to peak and vibration. Peak to peak, the total range of vibration from the highest position peak to peak, it's the lowest negative peak. RMS root means square the effective value of the vibration amplitude often related to energy of field of vibration. How it is related to other vibration metric. Relation of two peak to peaks in simple harmonic motion and smooth sine wave, the 0 to peak value half of the peak to peak value. Relation relation to RMS for pure signals vibration RMS value approximately 0.707 times of peak to peak value. What is important? So high frequency analysis acceleration is the preferred measure to high frequency vibration above 1000 hertz because it is more sensitive to the change in force acting of machine component. This frequency machine condition monitoring by machine measuring the acceleration 0 to peak engineering can accelerate the condition of machinery. Increased acceleration can indicate the presence or bearing where other faults. What is acceleration? Acceleration measure of the rate of which the velocity of a body since it is a vector quantity which means it has both magnitude and direction. It is can be positive, zero and negative. The definition of acceleration is right and flow. Acceleration is the change of velocity with respect to time. साला फोन गर्म हो गया, फोन गर्म हो गया। कितने पहुंचे हैं? 3 पेज और आ गया है। अरे the SI unit of acceleration meter per second square, written as meter per second square. This unit reflect definition of acceleration as the rate of change of velocity meter per second over time second effective representing meters per second. Understand the unit means velocity is measure of speed and direction with SI unit meter per second. Acceleration direction how quickly object velocity change vu divided by ms divided by time get divided by which simplifies ms. Other units of acceleration which meter per second square, it is standard u inside the meter and acceleration such as kilometer per second square, kilometer per hour square, centimeter per second square. Unit of acceleration SI unit acceleration meter per second square plus meter per second square, meter per second square. Acceleration is equal change in acceleration equal change in velocity in time. एक्सीलरेशन CGS पद्धति में यानी CGS सिस्टम सोल्ड वोल्ड बी सेमी पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर हैंस डिवाइडेड बाय CGS यूनिट्स. डिस्प्लेसमेंट यानी विस्थापन. डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज द overall change in the object position defined as a straight line distance and direction from its individual its final point to rather than the actual path take its is a vector quantities processing both magnitude how far a direction. For example, if you walk circle and return to your strength spot, your distance traveling sufficient but you displacement zero because your final position is same as your individual ones. x जैसा कि आप देख पा रहे हैं डिस्टेंस और डिस्प्लेसमेंट. CGS यूनिट एक्सीलरेशन सेंटीमीटर per second square, displacement various distance traveling along both simple and commons. velocity.